Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Just let me know, traders. Am I audible to you? Okay. Good evening, Rajesh sir. Good evening, Lakshmi sir. Hello, Danny sir. Welcome everyone. Now, traders, yesterday when I came live, I hope you remember, I was speaking about this zone, right? This is a very important zone, seller's pressure zone. From here, as long as this level breaks, do not look for any bullish trade. You can see market nice 5,000 points movement it had done yesterday. Hopefully no one took any bullish trade as long as this level breaks, right? So that was one setup. And again, here market had given a breakout at this zone. So this breakout retest and continuation, the setup I think in the crypto community group I had just shared. Okay, as soon as I noticed this breakout, I had informed in the group. Hopefully you guys made use of it. Now again, what I can notice is market right now is near this seller's pressure zone itself. Okay, and US market is not yet open. Little early I have come, so that whatever is my view, it would be easy for me to share before 8 p.m. So here, this is where after this correction, market took from this zone, it started moving towards the downside. Now to a certain extent, 70 to 80%, 60 to 70% correction market has done. So in today's case, what I'm thinking, in case market breaks this seller pressure zone, then I'll be looking at bullish trade. If it is staying below this zone, little bearish, but I would consider this area. Okay, so market today it is moving towards the upside, and at some point of time to create some liquidity, maybe this correction is happening up to this zone. I will see here any reversal setup. If I get here one bullish trade, or if market goes above the zone, one bullish trade. So that is basically my focus. If market is going below the zone, then focus will shift to bearish, where market can move up to the zone, right? So these levels will be the target towards the downside. I hope my view about the market is clear. Even though market is seeing some pressure at the seller pressure zone, still the market is not yet open. Some time is left. So that time any quick momentum is possible. That is why I'm avoiding to take any bearish trade here. If market corrects here at the zone, any reversal, again two situations, market can turn bullish. If it goes above the zone, then it has potential to reach up to this area. So they're also bullish. Only when it goes below 85,200 range, I'm thinking, okay, I'll be looking for some bearish trade. Okay, this is my view. Hopefully the view about the market is clear for you guys. As of now, nowhere the market is moving. It's just staying below the selling pressure zone. Let it go above buying pressure zone, then little we will focus on the buy side. Hello sir, can we consider this as bullish flag pattern? To a certain extent we can. Usually the pole becomes very it usually it becomes it is straight like this. Okay, or let's say in this case market formed this one, it gave a breakout, but here you see it is slanting. So mostly this area can be acting as support, rather than flag pattern. We can consider this some kind of channel pattern maybe, right? So in that way we can look into this. More than flag pattern, we can consider this as upward channel pattern. So continuously this area market is taking support, and this area market is facing resistance. So this seems like a somewhat like channel pattern, upward channel. So in that way we can see. Okay, Sartex. Now yes, I can see here market gave a breakdown, attracted some people. Again this breakdown, so many people are getting attracted in the market at this zone. So the early market momentum, if it is possible, we can try, but stop loss is kind of little at the zone. If I'm getting any W pattern setup or something like that, I could have tried. So maybe what we will do, we will draw this area. Market is staying within this zone. Sir, if I want to draw Fibonacci, which low should I consider? See here, this is the recent swing low, right? So this is the recent swing low. From here you mark it till the upper level. Okay, that you can do. Now in case market breaks this level, this is the selling pressure zone, like I said earlier. If it breaks this level, bigger movement is possible. Next continuation. That time I'm not considering this as stop loss hunting. It will be trend continuation. Upside movement market was doing right. So that continuation market can do is what I'm thinking. And I'll switch to, hopefully view is clear. I'm just switching to 1 minute time frame to see if there is anything interesting. Is there any rejection area in the market? Here somewhere up to 618 level market is going. It's kind of facing rejection here. So directly I cannot plan this selling pressure zone. See this previous swing high, you consider the swing low. Market is trading in between. So either it has to move towards the upside to show bullishness, move towards the downside to show bearishness. That time something we can focus about. Now little challenging it is. I'll just mark this level for our reference and keep. From the upper angle, if you see, market has up to 50% correction it has done. If you consider this as the recent swing, up to 60% correction, market is trying to just hold on to this range. You can see some selling pressure here. This 1 minute time frame, I'm just looking at it to see if there is any quick early entry for me, any signals I get, right? Ramesh sir, I hope you understood how to draw Fibonacci. Selling pressure so nicely, they're pushing traders, market towards the downside. So from here, if market goes lower, let's say up to this zone also, close to 900 points move, little I will wait. Okay, any bearishness continuation, if I see somewhat okay, I will consider. It's not showing any continuation here. Yesterday nicely we got where buying pressure zone, selling pressure zone, proper levels we had got. Here it's between the range. So yeah, this upper level, if it was facing resistance also, maybe bullish trade I would have focused on. We'll give the market some time. Can you share any strategy for intraday? I've shared in the crypto community group. This is a 3 minutes time frame strategy. If you join the crypto community group, you get access to this. And that clearly 30 minutes, and I've taken some live trades also. I've given examples. So that's a EMA based strategy itself. So those who open account with Delta Exchange, you get access to the crypto community group. The link is there in the pinned comment. Use that link, open account, and then message. We will give you access. Now, those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content updates what I'm sharing with you, support the channel by liking the video. After liking the video, please mention your name as well. Right? Top 5 people who mentions their name after liking the video, I'll announce their name here. See, someone was asking about pole and flag, right? You see here, this is kind of pole, and here market is kind of forming a flag pattern. So we will see, both the side movement is possible, 50-50 chances there. So little we will wait, focus, any setup we get, we'll look into that. Good evening, sir. I'm your old student from 2022. Okay, thank you, sir. How much capital are you using? I've just kept 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh rupees here. Majority I have withdrawn. Rokesh. I've heard Rakesh. Rokesh is new. Okay. Thank you for liking the video, sir. Satyam, sir, thank you so much. Santosh, sir, thank you. Devananda, thank you, sir. Liked your live stream, sir. Okay, thank you. Abdul, sir, thank you so much. So here market is just holding on within this range itself. So any kind of breakout or something above this level, like I was saying earlier, small setup we can try. Pull. This is the flag. Market is holding on to this range. If it gives a breakout, we will see about that. I'm little concerned about this zone, little below this area. But anyways, with less quantity, I will try. How much are you expecting to make with 1 lakh in a single trade? I'm not going to use 1 lakh rupees traders. I'm just going to basically how many you beginners, how much capital you will be comfortable to trade with, how much lot size. Based on that only, I'm explaining everything. Don't consider this live stream as something like, we are making profit like this, come join us, like nothing like that. Whatever in the live market I am able to explain based on price action, stop loss hunting, and the profit and loss what you can relate, that is what I'm going to discuss about. And the question should be, when you come to the market, it is not like with 1 lakh capital how much I can make. That is, according to me, is not a proper mindset. Rather it should be with 1 lakh without adding more funds, how long can I survive in this market? That should be the question. So in one trade only you can make 2 lakhs also, you can lose that 1 lakh also, but with the capital that you have, how much are you able to sustain really matters. If you can push it for 3 months, 4 months, that learning what you get within the 3 4 months is immense, right? That's how you need to see. How much leverage I use 50x. Basically that is not needed. Simply I keep 50x. And for beginners also I suggest not to use more leverage. Some people asking about account opening. Around 3 4 accounts they have given me, Delta Exchange has given me some update that around 20 messages are still pending from my end, WhatsApp message. For that I will reply and close today. And some accounts which is not reflecting under us, maybe tomorrow evening I will get some update, so that we will share with you. What is the minimum capital we can start to trade? You can start with even 10,000, 20,000. I've already made a basic video about crypto trading. Okay, what and all you need to know, how to place stop loss, how to place target, all the basic video around 35 minutes I have covered in my YouTube channel itself. I think there is a playlist for crypto. You can go there, check out that video. That many things I have covered. Is XNS trusted one? Please see, I cannot comment on the products which I have not personally used. From the time I started to trade, I'm using Delta Exchange itself. About Delta Exchange, I've done the research, I made the video also, and I've shared with you, right? XNS, because for me also, my friends suggested Delta Exchange. So in the last 3 months, 4 months, continuously, I'm using this itself. I'm comfortable with this. XNS, I did not get a chance to try. So others who's using XNS, maybe you can tell me. How much do you risk per trade? We will see when the trading setup you get, you will only see, right? Here market is forming upward channel pattern, here downward it's moving. Reasonable stop loss if I get anywhere. 400, 450 points is kind of more. Let me just see what the global market is performing, how it's performing. Uh, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything is in green itself. 0 0.7, 0. Sorry, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, just 0.5% range. Positive it is looking right now. Okay. Market has corrected decently. Now here I can see continuous bearishness, but if I want to try for a bullish trade, then this might be a decent opportunity. Little 50% risk is there, but I'm ready to take that risk. Just that proper entry if I'm getting. This candle continuation, something like that if I get. This continuous red candle comes means definitely it's a problem. That is what I'm saying. If any green candle closing will I get at the zone? If I don't get that, then it's a problem. Now at this support level, I'm not that interested on the call options bullish side, right? So if it's broken the support, focus little pullback or anything as such. If I get, can focus on bearishness. This was a proper area to try bullish, but market has broken that level. It's gone below this area also. Mm. You can see some people are getting attracted to and thinking too much about entering bearish trade here. That's why market is trying to hold on to this. So here, if it starts moving, then bit of a problem. We'll see. Okay, it is surviving below this candles. Okay, I'll go for this trade. Okay, I'm not going to take too much risk for this. Maybe this one immediate breakdown based on price action stop loss hunting. Usually I don't prefer, but if the moment is strong, then I will miss out on the opportunity. Some of you can wait for a pullback if you need. After, let's say, market corrects, and later if it goes below the zone, then you can, let's say it goes below the zone, then you can place your stop loss here and then look for the downside continuation. I'm just looking at this setup. For this, like I already told you, if market goes down also, this is one area, 85 200 can be a very crucial zone. So that is something which I have to take into consideration. If that level breaks, okay, or else difficult. See, that's what I was worried about. After attracting some people, usually a red candle comes, but this green candle comes. This green candle was not that strong. That's why I planned for bearish. Little more buffer I have given on top. We will see. If they want to push, let them push it from here. Sorry. Is delta is only for crypto? Yeah, only crypto. Yes, I saw your video from there. I came to know we just have minimum 30K with good leverage. That's asked. Only price action or fundamental news also needs to be followed. I mostly follow this one itself, price action stop loss hunting, but see, this setup did not work out that well. That's why I said, okay, if you want to enter a bearish trade, wait for some more time. Anyways, this setup is minimal risk. It's gone. The problem is this only, this breakdown. It has attracted some people, and when people get attracted on the bearish side, little pullback and things like that is common based on price action stop loss hunting. That's why a bit skeptical I was. We will see. I have you achieved financial freedom? Financial, what do you consider as financial freedom? For each person, financial freedom level is different. As human aspiration, it keeps changing, right? This year my goal was something, last year it was different. On a yearly basis or once in 3 years 4 years, am I achieving the financial goals what I'm having? That to a certain extent I can say yes. Now if you consider, okay, taking a long break, like let's say I don't work for 6 months, still no issue. If you consider that as financial freedom, yes, I'm okay with that. So You can check Ethereum and Solana also, right? Why only BTC volume is more apart from that anything else? See, compared to others, I consider BTC and BTC to be a bit this one stable itself. So that is a okay. Breakdown, retest again. Breakdown. This one zone I'm getting a bit of confused here. See, continuously market was moving towards the upside, right? It was continuously moving towards the upside. This area had been respected many times in the market. Once this level is broken, this can act as support. So that is one concern. One more thing, I opened account with your referral. When can we get the Telegram access? Do we need to complete first trade to get access? No need first trade. We'll give you access, no problem. Only thing is in our system when we check if it is coming under our referral, immediately we give the access. But when it doesn't come, we need to reach out to the team, get the update and give you clarity, right? As long as it doesn't reflect in our system, it is difficult for us to give access. Usually when we give them a list of data and ask them to check if it is under us or not, they take some time. That is why that delay, right? Only price action and stop loss hunting or fundamentals and news also should be follow to trade in crypto. uh, I, in crypto to a certain extent, little we need to look at the US market also, how it is performing, what is the US market sentiment, because you see there are certain hacks also happened, right, in related to crypto. Uh, so in those kind of cases, the market sentiment might not be based on price action and stop loss hunting. Many people might be worried. They might start thinking about, let me close my positions, any open position. Market is not that great right now. People are in a way that, okay, I'm holding the position, should I exit or not? They will be bit skeptical. But any news comes out, right, that will become a trigger point and continuous altogether many people sell at same time, then definitely market will correct. So those kind of newses is what I'm trying to say. Anything which can be relevant, little tab importance we have to give, but more importance will always be for price action, stop loss hunting, this kind of stuff. So this level what I had shared, market is respecting that level. This is the only area where I was bit worried about. So if it breaks this level, maybe again I can focus on the bearish side. Any setup forming based on this level was acting as a resistance. Once this level is broken, now it is acting as support. That is why from the beginning I was saying this area is kind of important. As long as this level breaks, then we cannot focus too much on the bearish side. Usually some kind of setup we need to get traders. At least it has to give multiple confirmation it has to give. As of now, the support level is the only confirmation I have. Market is staying below the selling pressure zone itself. And then at this breakdown, people would have entered. So their stop loss is here to hunt. After that, if I enter here, from here only, if it corrects, what to do? So confirmation is something that is needed. So explain stop loss hunting and trend continuation. Okay. Uh, Imagine this. Okay. You take this as an example. Here what was happening, market was moving down. Here quickly it reversed. This was stop loss hunting. After stop loss hunting, these sellers will start putting pressure. So that time you can see trend continuation, right? So after this, again, market, maybe if it corrects a bit, forms lower high and moves towards the downside, then we can consider this as stop loss hunting. But in this case, it has not done that. It has moved towards the upside. So on a lower time frame, it is a trend continuation. But if you see a series of today's data and all, still market is forming in a lower high level itself, right? So this can be trend continuation. In case market doesn't respect this level and move towards the upside, that means it is giving importance to the lower upside move, and then from here it can start moving towards the upside. So these sellers are weak, so they might give up. They might not feel like holding on to the market after it moves so much. So expectation is they can push the market towards the upside. That is why for reference I have kept this zone. As long as market is staying below the zone on a higher time frame, expectation is downside move. Only if it goes above the selling pressure zone, then we can try. So here market has not respected the zone, recovered, and then correction. We will see. Nasdaq is down. Nasdaq is down by 0.5, 0.6. Rest of the market also is kind of down. So interestingly, market is respecting the selling pressure zone. It is moving here. This level also market did not respect that much. So let me see if there is any. Only problem you see where I have to keep the stop loss. Small stop losses, if I keep easily, market tends to hit the traders. So market only is like that, right? 80-90% is waiting for that 10% of the time that's set up. That was specifically 8 o'clock. I come at that point of time only. Immediately if I have to enter the trade, setup has to be formed. Only then I can try. I missed some part. Did you say that anyone gets access to private telegram? Access is, I missed some part. Did you say that anyone gets access to your private telegram group if use the referral link? The referral link is there, no? But private telegram group is crypto private telegram group, right? So Nifty Bank Nifty, not Nifty Bank Nifty private telegram group. So crypto, if you are interested, you get access to this group. So here I share my setup strategy and also any updates which is there relevant to the market. All those things also I share, right? So information related to the market based on open interest and this breakout setup, all of these things I share. Market is full on bearish. This important level also it is broken. So one attempt I can do. Only thing is entry point. Entry point is the problem. Entry point for, see, this one candle is 280, 290 points stop loss. This one candle alone is kind of what, 260, 270. 260, 270 points stop loss is not a problem at all. So As long as market is staying below this candle, things are kind of okay. But suddenly if it spikes, hits the stop loss, then we will get into trouble. So here this is the stop loss, and for this 1:2 risk reward is a decent one. So hopefully I'm okay to sell here. Stop loss also is not too much, so reasonable one. I'm going to sell this. I'm just trying to go as per the current market sentiment, not stop loss hunting or price action. So if you're interested, you can attempt that. Since risk also is small, I'm okay to take that risk. First important thing is our stop loss that I have placed here, and the entry point. So hopefully anything works out here. Okay. For this trade, here one level is there. Thing is a pullback correction, pullback correction. During that pullback, our stop loss has to be reasonable. That's the only concern here. We'll see. Slightly S&P 500 also. Slightly it is it's turning bearish. Request to revisit your podcast on stock selection for intraday option trading and suggest with regards to present market condition. Weekend I will see a video. I heard crypto market will give good movement when US market opens. Definitely, yes. Both the side pressures. Oh, you see how quickly after this breakdown how that green candle formed. If you want to experience volatility, you have to come to this crypto market. Did I miss out on any messages? Only price. You can see crypto market being a bit more active on during the morning. It will not be that active, but London market timing opening and US market opening time, those kind of times and all, you will definitely see some kind of spikes and volatility in this one. Just like how our market opens, right? As soon as our market opens, you can see what kind of volatility is there. As long as you are in the right direction, you would be safe, or else any wrong calculations that you do, there is a chance that you'll lose out. So when you're taking risk during market opening, it has to be comparatively less. Small stop loss, bigger target is something that you can focus on. Around 48 people watching the live stream, only 36 likes. So those who would like to support the channel, please do that by liking the video. After liking the video, please mention your name. We will announce your name. Okay. 1:2.5 is the target. Sudden spikes and all is a headache itself. Sunny Sanvi, thank you so much for liking the video. Thanks for putting that effort. Just joined, and first thing I did was liking the stream. Thank you so much, Harissa. Thank you so much. Okay. Guys, those who have not liked the video, please do that. Hardly takes 2-3 seconds for you, but the value what it creates is immense. So sir, I put like 30 minutes back. Super, sir. Thank you so much, Chandru sir. Thank you so much. A student and newbie to the market. What suggestion will you give me to go with Indian market or trade BTC? Get comfortable with Indian market, right? Both Indian market, crypto market is acting crazy itself, but you can try Indian market first, do paper trading for some time, and then you can focus. Mm, what you can do is there are some lot of videos I've done related to Indian market as well as crypto market basics. Please go through that, and first 1 month what you can do is observe and do paper trading and see how things are going. Based on that you can decide. If you start by 7 p.m. you will get good set. I think if you start by 7 p.m. you will get good setup. Mm, that is what sometimes I think, but 7 p.m. sometimes market is not. Uh, you see, this was the selling pressure zone. When market came to the selling pressure zone, mostly when if I would have been available during the live, I would have taken this bearish setup. Sometimes it happens like this also, like that also. What to do, traders? See here, green candle, it is showing continuation. This continuation is the problem. Nasdaq went close to 1% down. S&P 0.25%. Dow Jones is just holding on to that level. There they're shorting, here they're taking crypto market towards the upside. Kumara Silvan sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Really appreciate that. What is the right approach to start crypto trading and capital requirement? To start, see, I have made a video already, so I think you have not watched that video. That's why you're having this basic confusion. So that video link I will share. The setup also. Market is trapping both the side traders, attracting people both the side. Again from upper zone, again there's high probability it will correct only. But small stop losses we are giving and going to capture that big movement. That is somewhat, it's not falling at the right spot. One second, you asked that video, right? I'll share that with you. I don't know where it went. Again, there is a chance of selling pressure only. Yeah, those who ask some basic doubts related to crypto, right? You can check out that video. You'll get an idea about all the basic stuff, right? Everything I've covered in that particular video. Just have a look after the live stream. See, again, setup is bearish itself. This was a crucial level which I wanted market to break. It has broken that level. So little above that only we had placed our stop loss. Not here to compete with the market, just that this area was an important zone. Market has broken this zone. So now breakdown, retest, and now once this area was acting as resistance, after breaking, ideally it should act as support. So that's why I had marked that red line. Now again bearish content. Okay, we'll see what my this one is, what market has decided to give me today. Okay, same setup. I've taken that trade. Usually sometimes what happens is in this crypto market, when I take trades in Indian market, I limit my trades to just one or two, right? But in crypto market, sometimes because of the volatility, see, one is to I'm not going to compete with the market too much. This is going to be maybe the last setup for, for the day. I don't want to Indian market is for crypto market. Any trading blog is an encyclopedia for beginners. I watched all your videos and playlists. It's precious. Thanks always to it is. Thank you so much for taking that time and sending that message, sir. Really motivating. Thank you for that strong feedback. See, everyone comes to the market with the view, right? So your view might be based on indicator, my view might be based on price action, stop loss hunting. So maximum how much times can we attempt? We can do one attempt, right? First attempt if it fails, second attempt, then third attempt. After that, how much more attempts can we do? Right? That means that time it will just be like market is trying to tell us something. We are not understanding that we are just competing with the view of recovering loss and things like that. That kind of mindset definitely will not work. At some point of time, you should know, okay, today is not my day. Things are not going as my plan. So best thing what I have to do is keep quiet. Yesterday was a good day, profitable day, nice setups we had got. One bullish setup, one bearish setup. But now market is creating confusion. Both the side means what to do. See the setup again. I had to take the small loss. It's creating confusion, traders. What to do? Ideally retest, and it had to continue the downside move. Maybe I will accept that. Okay, today is not my day. In Nifty's case also, today I was waiting for that up move, and by the time the up move came, I had already exited because market was too volatile. It is protecting my capital is the most important thing. So after this, now 3 trades I have taken. One more trade I will not be taking. I will see if there is any setup. I will let you know. For those who have not taken any trade as of now, if it is there, another 10-15 minutes I will see. If it is not there, I will not look for another trade. I'm okay to accept today is not my day. Today is not my day. That's it. How much time will it take for us to become confident? As long as you're trading with the amount what you cannot risk, confidence will not be there in each and every trade. You should be more that stop loss what you're giving, it should not matter to you. Like at the initial stage, let's say in Indian market, when you're trading now 75 quantity like that, you're taking the trades, right? So they're already from 25, when it goes to 75, your risk is increased. But here you have an option to choose. Let's say you start with 10 lots. 10 lots means here it is just like 10 quantities. Okay. So only 1000 BTC is like 1000 lots is equal to 1 BTC. So at the initial stage, if you want, just start with 10 quantity. So let's say your risk is around 200 points. So for 200 points, if market moves against you 200 points, you will make only $2. You will lose $2. If market goes as per your view, you will make $2. So $2 is what? Very less, right? So initially, to get a hang of the setup and everything, just start with 10 quantity. But definitely you cannot think like, with that 10 quantity I will make I'll double my capital, triple my capital. The process is going to be slow. With the capital, let's say you got around 20,000 rupees, right? So every time you're just trading with 10 quantity, you see that capital, how long you can hold on to the trade, how many times you're sticking to your stop loss target. Based on that 20-25 trades is what is going to give you that experience and that mindset for you to not worry too much about the consequence. You get scared only because of the consequence. When you know the consequence is $2 or $3, that is under your risk capacity for the day, then nothing to worry about. So when you trade as per your risk capacity and you have proper lot size for your trade, things should ideally be okay for you. It's forming lower highs, lower lows. That too, the fall is happening from selling pressure zone. The proper stop loss target we are not getting. See, I don't feel like competing too much with the market. I feel another 30 minutes or 1 hour time I have to give to understand what is the wants to do. If at least a hunch or some kind of mindset I get, then I can focus. Okay, I can confidently plan the next trade. Now, revenge trading and all we cannot do. I've started using Akinashi instead of candle. It looks more clean than candles. Wanted to check whether you have used this or any disadvantage using it. At my initial stage of trading, I used to use Heikenhashi. Based on Heikenhashi, I've shared one indicator setup also. But the most uh, this one problem with Heikenhashi is it is not the actual numbers, right? The high and low is a base of average of previous candles, right? It takes an average of previous candles high low. Based on that average, it takes and gives me the information. Means it is not the actual value in which market is trading. So if I choose Ikenashi, things will be it's not real market condition price. That is the only issue. Maybe to capture the trend or something like that you can do, but once you take based on Heikenhashi, you want to place the stop loss or target, there you might have some kind of issue. But chart will be little cleaner, that I understand. But I mostly have not stopped using all those things, only price action, stop loss hunting, and try to understand the psychology and think of doing opposite of what many people do. That has basically been my main focus in both Indian market as well as crypto market. In crypto market, to get adjusted, it is taking a bit time because a lot of fine tuning has to be done. Exactly what you implement cannot do it. Psychological wise, you can do that, but based on the areas from where market can correct or how much risk you can take for the trade, because this is bit volatile. All those things we need to take into consideration. Liked what's the first day looks good. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Ishtak Praveen. Thank you so much for liking the stream. Anyways, sentiment as of now is kind of being bearish itself. Lower highs, lower lows market is forming, and here this trend line is acting as resistance. But no, small attempts when we are trying to do, market is hitting stop loss. Bigger stop losses we have to give. So bigger stop losses if we give right now at certain ranges we can give, right? Yesterday set up at the zone where it went. Anyways, this breakout setup also what I discussed in the group afternoon, this setup here we know what can be a reasonable stop loss for this trade. Somewhere here within the zone we can give, that is a decent amount of stop loss for this trade. But rest of the things is bit difficult itself. Bigger stop losses at this point of time we cannot give. All right, close to 1 hour live stream I have done. Small setups I attempted. Market is saying my view is not aligned with the market condition. So what I will do is I'll just close this. Any further interesting setup I find out, I will share that in the group. If you want to become a part of crypto community group, please open account with Delta Exchange. Share the link with me. Share a message with me. You can send a WhatsApp message to the number what is visible on the screen for you, or you send a WhatsApp message to this number. After opening account, reach out to this number. We'll cross check and we will give you access to the crypto community group. Delta Exchange link is there in the pinned comment itself. You can see. See, market is not giving any confidence, right, to plan for any kind of trade. I know this is the selling pressure zone. As long as market is staying below this zone, we have to focus only on bearish setup. But the pullback, what the market is doing is very strong. See, pullback is only close to 900 points. Here pullback is close to 700 points. So ideally 300 400 points range, if market is doing pullback, that is kind of okay. But some of you might say, okay, here we can place stop loss and plan, right? But you see, this can be the left shoulder, this can be the head. Market can again form a right shoulder. In this range it can give a breakout. So that confusion also is there. So that is one of the reason I'm kind of avoiding. Anyways, those of you who's not watched the free video, all the basic video what I've spoken related to crypto, please go and check that out. That video here I have put. You can see my recent comment. And if you want to open delta.exchange account and join the crypto community group, you can do that. That link also is there in the pinned comment. Okay. Now market is not looking that interesting for me. Any further updates I will share in the group. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. With a little more better mindset, we will look at the market after some time. Okay, bye bye. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Bye bye, everyone.